Oh, hey, welcome. I'm going to show you our latest AI-powered feature. So let me show you that. Let's imagine you're a participant to this workshop. How might we attract new talents? And we're going to focus on how might we leverage social media. So let's say that we discuss, and one of the idea we have is how about an Instagram account? So we're gonna write create an Instagram account, and yeah, maybe that's enough. And but for most of the participants, it's going to be enough. But this idea is just whoa, it's not good enough. It's not unique. It's it's a so-so idea. And this is why we have our new AI assistant. And the AI assistant is not here to do your job. It's here to give you some line of thoughts. So you just have to click on a button, and you see it's not obtrusive, because if you don't want to use it, you don't use it. And now you can read the different line of thoughts. Who is the target audience? So maybe we create one exclusively targeted at students. And oh, we need a unique hashtag. And we think about ways to incorporate employee testimonials. Yeah, why not? But I'd like to have some more. So you click again on the button, and how can you make this idea more specific or targeted? Okay. Okay, more specific. So maybe we gonna focus on sharing memes, funny ones of course, about bad recruitment practices. Now it's a much better idea, much more unique, much more fun, and much more potential of virality. So I can click on save, and now I have a great idea instead of a basic so-so idea.